Well, Celebrity has a really good promo going on right now for our group rates in the Caribbean of 2026. And I want to get you this great cruise deal on Celebrity's brand new ship, the Xcel. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Cruise Seekers, and welcome to our cruise deal show today. Today I have a great cruise deal on the Celebrity Xcel for January 2026, right after all the hubbub of the holidays. But before we get into that, I want to thank each and every one of you folks out there for joining us here at the Cruise Seekers community. Thank you so much for doing it. We love having you here as a subscriber. And if you're new here or you haven't just subscribed just yet, hey, think about subscribing, turn that notification bell on. It is so appreciated by us. Thank you so much for doing that. And while you're down there, hit that like button. It does help that YouTube algorithm. It does help this community grow, and it does help other people find this great cruise deal. Okay, folks, with that out of the way, let's talk a little bit about this great cruise deal on the Celebrity Xcel in January of 2026. So this is a cruise deal on the Celebrity Xcel, Celebrity's brand new ship. They're going to have some new venues that have never been on an Edge class ship before. They're basically taking Eden and they're rebranding it and calling it the Bazaar. It's going to be very focused on the different ports of call you're going to be going to. And not only that, they're also upgrading the thermal suite area on the Xcel. There's going to be a pool in the thermal suite. Really, really cool stuff there, folks. So if you do like those thermal suites with those Thermosophy pools, well, guess what? The Xcel's going to have it. So the itinerary, folks, this is a 7-night Eastern Caribbean cruise. This is a very, very popular itinerary. You're going to go to some of the most favorite ports of the Caribbean. The first stop you're going to head off to is Puerto Plata. From there, you will be going to St. Thomas and then finally to St. Maarten. These are great ports. We just did this exact itinerary and it was so much fun. We love going to St. Thomas. We love going to St. Maarten. They are beautiful islands for sure. Now, what about the date? Well, the date for this cruise is January 11th, 2026. Once again, folks, January 11th, 2026, right after the New Year's holiday, where you can finally kind of decompress, right? And it's still, pretty cold up in the Northeast in those areas too. So you know what? You're escaping the snow. You're escaping the cold. Alrighty, for the pricing. The pricing I'm going to give you is stateroom pricing. 2 people in the cabin. This is not a per person price. You're also going to get with this price the Celebrity all-included package. That is your classic drinks and your basic unlimited Wi-Fi. You will also get a 100% refundable deposit. That's a really nice perk, folks. So many times life just comes around and you just need to cancel, and it's really nice to get your money back. The deposit on this cruise is $500 US. Alrighty, we have 2 different cabin categories to choose from. We have the Edge staterooms with infinite verandas, and we have ocean views. The price for the infinite veranda with that package is $3,511.66. This is a phenomenal deal, folks, because if you went to the Celebrity website and you purchased the same exact thing, same room, same all-included package, same refundable deposit, you're going to pay well over $5,000. $5,385.56 to be exact. Now, the ocean views. The ocean view cabins are standard ocean views. They are on the 3rd floor of the ship. The ocean views are $3,189.66. Now, again, this is going to save you a lot of money, folks, because if you went to the Celebrity website and you plugged in the same room, same perk package, same deposit policy, Celebrity is going to want $4,215.56. Again, another huge savings. So I convinced you, you want to go on this great cruise on the Celebrity Xcel for January 11th, 2026. Well, the best way to get yourself booked is to give us a call at the number right there down below. There's also an email there too. You can also send us an email too. When you give us a call, extension 1 will bring you to me, Robert. Extension 2 will bring you to my wife, Cheryl. Now, if you do not want to give us a call or an email, you can click the link in the description down below. That link will bring you to a travel interest survey form. Fill out the travel interest survey form. Let us know you want to go on the Xcel for January 11th, 2026, and we'll get back right to you. Now, if you're sitting in your living room and you're watching YouTube and you do not have access to a keyboard or mouse just right yet, well, I will put a QR code up right over there. When you scan that QR code, it will bring you to that same exact travel interest survey form. Fill that out on your phone and we will get back to you right away. Just make sure you say you want to be on the Xcel for January 11th, 2026. So there you go, folks. That is our cruise deal for today. It is a beautiful cruise on the brand new Celebrity Xcel, doing one of the most popular itineraries in the Caribbean. I hope you enjoyed this video, folks. If you did, hey, give it a big thumbs up. It really does help that YouTube algorithm. It does help other people find this channel so that they can go on this cruise along with you. And if you've been watching this long and you still have not subscribed just yet, hey, think about subscribing. Turn that notification bell on. It is so appreciated by us. Thank you so much for doing that. So what are the things you are excited about the Xcel for? Is it the thermal suite upgrade? Is it the bazaar? We would love to hear from you in the comments section. Let us know what you think about the new changes to the Celebrity Xcel for the Edge class ships. We love comments, folks. We love trying to answer to every comment that we see on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for leaving a comment. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers, reminding each and every one of you to always seek the seas. Bye now.